Welcome back to another episode. Today we're talking about what are initial disclosures. And in a family law case, initial disclosures are essentially the documents and information that you are going to provide to the other party. So in divorce cases or separation cases, family law cases, and even in custody cases, there is a petitioner who is the one who's bringing the action, and there is a respondent who is one who is responding to the action. So initial disclosures are due 14 days after an answer is filed, the very first answer to a petition. So if you're filing a petition to divorce or a petition for custody or a petition for separation, for example, 14 days after the answer or response to your petition is filed by the respondent, you have 14 days to get your initial disclosures to the other side. Initial disclosures include a financial declaration. Now, this is a court form that must be completed. You have to outline all of your assets, all of your debt, all of your income, and all of your expenses on a monthly basis. You also need to include with that copies of your last 2 years of tax returns, copies of your either 1099 or your W-2 form. You also need to provide your last 12 months of paycheck stubs or other evidence of your income. Now, if you're unemployed, the court will impute to you at least minimum wage, maybe more depending on your college education, if you have any, or your prior work experience or what you were able to earn previously. You also need to provide the last 3 months of all financial accounts that you have. So think of your checking account, your savings account. If you have any investment or brokerage accounts or retirement accounts like a 401k, IRA, something like this, those also need to be included. Now, not only do you need to do a financial declaration, but you also need to provide a list of any potential witnesses that you'll use if the case ever goes to trial. This includes their full name, their telephone number, their address, and a brief statement as to what they would testify about if this matter were to ever go to trial. Those are initial disclosures. Now, if you don't provide your initial disclosures or you fail to list something or fail to provide something, you can be sanctioned for it by the court. And sanctions could include, if you fail to list a party, for example, not allowing that person to testify at trial, or allowing the court to impose a monetary penalty against you, for example, awarding the other side attorney's fees and costs. Obviously, we want to avoid that, so it is imperative that you get your financial declaration and Rule 26 disclosures in and over to us as your attorneys so that we can file those with the court. If you have other questions about initial disclosures or what you need to do, give our office a call. Speak with me directly or one of my staff, 801-676-5507. Again, 801-676-5507. I look forward to assisting you with your family law case. Thanks for watching.